How to fix CapCut not enough storage. That means that your CapCut has no enough storage. So if you're using the online version of CapCut, like in CapCut.com, the website version, you need to get the premium version to get some free online cloud storage. So if you don't have that premium version, you need to start deleting some of your older projects so you can put new projects in. But if you're using your PC or your mobile version and like the offline, the installed version, and it still shows you low storage, that means the storage on your device is finishing up, which means you need to start deleting some videos, apps, or anything that's consuming a lot of space on your storage. Remove them, free up some space so you can start editing new videos in CapCut. So right now over here you can see I have 61 GB free, so I can clearly edit videos. So you also need to check your storage and see how much free storage you have. If you don't have a lot, just start deleting stuff which you don't use to free up space. And if you have a lot of free space and even though it still shows you that error, the way to fix it is delete the app and re-download it again. Sometimes CapCut has a bug, so deleting and re-downloading it fixes it. That's how you guys can fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.